Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already signed into Gmail and saved the photo. Now begin. Open Gmail and click Compose so you have the message window visible. Once the Compose window is ready, look at the formatting toolbar below the subject line and find the Insert Photo icon. It's the only reliable way to place a picture inline. Click Insert Photo, then choose the source, Upload, Google Photos, or by URL. Make sure the image file is accessible before proceeding. After you click Insert Photo, select the correct source, Upload for local files, Google Photos for cloud images, or by URL for a web-hosted picture. Once you pick the image, choose Inline so the photo displays inside the body rather than as a download. Click the inserted image to reveal handles and the small toolbar. Use those to resize, align left/center/right, or add a caption. This ensures the recipient sees the photo inline across most email clients. Finalize your message, then send a quick test to yourself to confirm inline display. If the photo arrives as an attachment instead of inline, go back and reinsert via the Insert Photo Inline option or host the image in use by URL. If the image fails to upload, check file size and format, compress JPEG/PNG, or upload to Google Drive and share the link. Make sure recipients' clients support inline images. Otherwise, provide a visible link as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.